The ceramic wall, the wall of confusion. Now, which ceramic protection is best for you? More specifically, the question we get at Adams is which graphene ceramic protection is best for you? Now, when you're considering a graphene protection, you want to think about two things. Ease of use, so how easy is the product to use on your car, or the durability, so how long will the protection last on your car? And we have kind of three different options for that. One is a spray and wipe water-based graphene ceramic protection that's really easy to use, but the durability is a little bit less. Whereas the graphene ceramic coating advanced is a little bit work up front, but this is going to give you years and years of protection. Yeah, exactly. The advanced graphene ceramic coating is by far the most durable, and really if you put the work up front, you don't need to keep reapplying it. It's something that will last a really long time on your car. Yeah, but the advanced graphene ceramic coating is so much work to put on your car. You have to polish it and do all the prep stuff before you put it on. Whereas something like the water-based graphene, like the Graphene CS3, yeah, you could just spray it right on the car and you get the advantage of the graphene protection with the ease of use. I'm going to bridge the gap between you guys, okay? And I'm gonna give you the ease of use in this spray coating. I'm gonna give you the durability with a couple years of protection. Either way, we have different options for what is the best graphene ceramic protection for you. And in this video, we're gonna go through the pros and cons of each so we can give you the confidence of which graphene ceramic protection product you need. So, spray sealant guy or spray ceramic guy, you're up. Okay, so with the water-based graphene ceramic protection, they're gonna be extremely easy to use, okay? But the durability is gonna go down. So this is something that combines products that already exist, like detail spray or CS3, and you can essentially do two things in one. So if you wanna do a quick detail on your car and remove light dust or dirt, you can do that with either one of these products, but at the same time, you're going to apply a layer of graphene protection. But that layer of graphene protection is less durable because it's a lot less concentrated. So what that means is you need to use that product more frequently, okay? So if you're going to use a water-based graphene protection as your primary source of protection for your vehicle, you need to use it more often. All right, I'll give it to you. The water-based products are great. And look, here's the thing, I don't wanna necessarily reapply the graphene ceramic protection every month. It's cool that you can combine the two, but I like to be able to put a graphene ceramic coating on my car, but I don't want to be committed to the crazy 7-year thing. So the graphene ceramic spray coating is going to be the easiest way to put a ceramic coating on your car, and you're going to get the benefits of the hydrophobics and making it really easy to clean your car. So let me talk to you about the pros and cons of the graphene ceramic coating. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about the graphene ceramic coating, and more specifically, the spray version of the graphene ceramic coating. Are you afraid to put a ceramic coating on your car? Yes, I am, okay? Well, this product is a product for you, okay? Because it is a ceramic coating, but it's in the spray form, so what it means is much more forgiving. This is a true ceramic coating, okay? This is a solvent-based ceramic coating. It is mixed with polystyrene, reduced graphene oxide. It is essentially the same formula that is in the 60 ml bottle. The only difference is the dilution ratio. This has about 15% of the active ingredient versus the 60 ml bottle, which has 45% of the active ingredient. Okay, what does that mean? That means that this is much easier to use. Another really great benefit to the spray version of the coating, of the graphene coating, is that you can spray things like grills or suspension parts, and you can essentially coat things that have never been ceramic coated before. Okay, with the 60 ml bottle, you have the little applicator. You have to meticulously go through and coat every piece of it. This, you just spray it in, boom, okay? Gets all the nooks and crannies, you even it out with the applicator, and you are protecting with years of ceramic protection things that otherwise have never been ceramic coated before. Once the product cures, even in all these areas like the grill, you know, or the nooks and crannies that you're coating, you still want to wipe that off just like you do with the paint. You don't want any excess sitting on the surface. Now with the graphene ceramic spray coating, this is the advanced formula. So this is the most concentrated version of the spray. This is 15% concentrated. So What that's gonna do is give you, a year and a half to 2 years of graphene ceramic protection. You don't need to use this as frequent as the water-based products like the guy was talking about before. You only need to reapply it maybe every 6 to 8 months, okay? You're going to get the benefit of the graphene ceramic protection with the water beading and making your life much easier, let's be honest, because cleaning your car is way easier. The commitment to a spray coating is a lot less than when you apply a 60 ml bottle or the super concentrated version of graphene ceramic, okay? And here's the thing, the work up front to apply this product is much less than when you get into a 60 ml bottle. And here's the thing, the 60 ml bottle, that's the stuff that's gonna last 7 to 9 years. You need to polish your car, you need to do all kinds of work, and you need to have some experience when it comes to using a machine polisher and all that stuff. So this is the perfect product if you're trying to dip your toes into graphene ceramic protection. Whoa, hey, look, I know it's a lot of work to apply the graphene ceramic coating in the 60 ml bottle, but Adams Polishes has all the resources you need when it comes to learning how to polish, learning how to apply the graphene ceramic coating as well. So look, the benefit you're gonna get from this, the years and years of protection, is amazing. It makes your car care routine so much easier. So you come with me and let's talk about the graphene ceramic protection in its highest concentration level. Okay, so talking about the graphene ceramic coating that's in the 60 ml bottle, which is our most concentrated graphene protection, this is, a little bit harder to use, okay? There's more prep work that goes into this, like polishing, making sure your finish is perfect before you apply this, because again, this is gonna give you years of protection. But remember, the higher the durability, the ease of use goes down, and a little bit more work needs to go into this. But look, someone like me who enjoys that work, I enjoy polishing the car, making it look perfect. I wanna lock that perfection for as long as I can. This is the form of protection that is going to do that, okay? So once you get your car perfect, you put this on, you'll reap the benefits of the hydrophobic properties, the self-cleaning properties, and your washing routine is gonna be much, much easier, okay? Because the water is gonna fall off your car. It's gonna take the loose dirt with it. This is gonna last years. I would say between 5 and 9 years on your car, this will be there. So the frequency of how often I use this goes down, but kind of my washing routine like down the road is much easier, okay? So whether you're using the super concentrated graphene ceramic protection or you're using the graphene ceramic spray coating, which bridges the gap because it's easy to use but also lasts a long time, or if you want the easiest form of graphene ceramic protection, the water-based products are going to be them, okay? Graphene Detail Spray, Graphene CS3, the ease of use is really high, but the durability is lower, so you need to use it more often. Now, if you have more questions and more considerations as far as which one is best for you, please email us at tips@adamspolishes.com, or you can call us at 866-965-0400. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it provided you some clarity of which graphene protection is best for you.